Noma njengayehleli noPhetheni kodwa inhliziyo yakhe ilapha nakuNomfundo phela wake wathi uPhetheni umbiza ngonjengaye kodwa uNomfundo ke umbiza ngosibalukhulu. Hey hayi guys asazi but leli viki nje bazobe ngathi kunokushayisana okhona between uPhetheni kanye ke noNomfundo. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Sibongile and the Dlamini from the 25th to the 27th of November 2024 on Monday. Vuma 6 Ntombela's blessing to Mary Samge, but Ntombela refused to guide her sister into a perilous future. In a heartfelt reunion, Sibongile and Gwenzo reflect on their parents, hinting that the world is now ready for them. Sis Mavis engaged in a candid conversation with Nomfundo on Tuesday. Njengaye must yet again choose between uNomfundo no Phetheni. Zama catches Velepi's motives for being around. Which one of them will be heartbroken? Vuma finally gets the blessing to marry Samge, but it comes at a price on Wednesday. Even though Phetheni is around, Nomfundo is on Njengaye's mind. The plan for Wenzeni and Themba seems to be working. Meanwhile, love is blooming for Vuma and Samge. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Noma njengayehleli noPhetheni kodwa inhliziyo